Alright, continuing with the definitions from 1.1, I also want to talk about descriptive statistics versus inferential statistics. And honestly, the words say it all. The descriptive statistics are statistics that describe properties of your set. Descriptive statistics are calculated from what you have. They would include any sort of average that you're grabbing. So it could be the mean, the median, the mode. Other things would be that aren't averages. The standard deviation, remember we use mu, or we can use S, the variance. Things that you calculate from the information you have. You're describing the statistics in some way. The average is the way to talk about the middle of the data versus the standard deviations, which you would use to describe the spread of the data. There's other things that are not commonly used here too. If you want to talk about percentiles or quartiles, that'd be another thing. Now, an inferential statistic is stuff that you infer from the data. All right, it's predictions. It's trying to say this is what things will be in the future. Now, descriptive statistics are great for describing what's going on now, but inferential statistics is how you're going to make predictions about things in the future. All right, so it's inferring what you're going to have. Now, for inferential statistics, we don't really have symbols we're going to use, but there's going to be hypothesis testing. In addition to hypothesis testing, there's other sorts of testings you might do, or it could just be using regression, which we'll go over in Chapter 10, where you're looking at a line and saying, this is what I predict the data will be in the future, right? So we talk about time the company grows, profit you're making. This would be your prediction based off of the data that you have. You're inferring, you're making a guess for what it's going to be in the future. Now, the first part of this course is going to focus on descriptive statistics. The second part of the course is going to talk about and focus mainly on inferential statistics. So Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit